Alright, so starting with the heart, the first thing I'm going to point out is the pulmonary trunk. You actually see that it's blue here. That continues on to the pulmonary arteries. Remember, these arteries are blue because they carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Right behind the pulmonary trunk is the aorta. So here's the ascending aorta as it comes up, aortic arch or transverse aorta as it comes towards the left, and then behind the lungs we have the descending aorta, which is going to be thoracic above the diaphragm and then abdominal below the diaphragm. Coming back to the aortic arch or transverse aorta, we have two branches. That's different from the human, who has three. The first branch on the right is the brachiocephalic artery or the brachiocephalic trunk. The second branch is going to be the left subclavian artery. Off of the brachiocephalic trunk, we have three branches. The first branch here is the right subclavian artery. It's going to basically go down to the right arm. The next branch is the right common carotid artery, and the third branch is the left common carotid artery. From the right subclavian artery, we have the right internal mammary artery right here, which is cut. This comes up to the thoracic wall. Next, we have three little branches. Let's see if we can see all three. I don't know if you can see them there. Three branches. Could you hold this, Nancy? Could you hold that one and give me the one you have? Sure, thank you. All right, the first branch here is the right vertebral artery. The second branch is the right costocervical artery, and the third branch is the right thyrocervical artery. That then continues on as the axillary artery here as it passes through the wall of the body, comes basically to the armpit region. We're going to have a branch down into the scapula, and this is called the subscapular artery, and it looks like part of it broke off here. So this part that then continues on down the arm, that is the right brachial artery, and we're going to continue that on the left since that's the one that's been dissected. So from this point down to the forearm, it's going to be the same as on the left side. So let's come over here to the left subclavian artery. Remember, that branches off of the aortic arch. It also has an internal mammary, so this is the left internal mammary artery coming right up to the thoracic wall. We have the left vertebral artery, the left costocervical artery, and the left thyrocervical artery here as well. What continues again is the left axillary artery. We see the branching down into the subscapular muscle, so this is the left subscapular artery.
Okay, hold on, I went out of focus.
That's okay.
Okay there.
Okay, and then the continuation of this is the left brachial artery that comes down, and it splits at the elbow, so we might need to do... Okay, we might just need to clean that a little bit more, but let's see. It'll actually, if we want to move over to this cat, we see here, right along with the radial artery, we have the left radial vein and the left ulnar vein and artery here. Okay? So those are the arteries above the heart.
Do you want to end it there?
It's up to you.